Amidst the roar of engines and the swirling dust of Salisbury Plain, the British Army is writing a new chapter in the history of its combat vehicle fleet. This is not just a story of iron and steel, but of ambition, challenge, and the vision to remain a formidable force on the modern battlefield. Their fleet, which has endured countless wars and peacekeeping missions, now stands at a crossroads. Some legendary vehicles are being retired, others are being upgraded, and new faces are moving to the front lines. It's a dramatic story of transformation, where the past meets the future. Challenger, the renewed king. At the heart of this fleet is the Challenger II, a legendary tank that has never lost a battle against any enemy, from Bosnia to Iraq. With its sturdy Dorchester II armor and deadly 120mm gun, this tank is a symbol of strength. But time does not stand still. Of the 219 remaining Challenger IIs, only 148 will be upgraded to the Challenger III, the most advanced tank Britain has ever possessed. With cutting-edge digital technology and a speed of up to 60 miles per hour, the Challenger III is poised to become a new battlefield predator. The rest? Some are held in war reserve, while others, with micro cracks in their hulls, will likely rest in a warehouse in Ashchurch, awaiting the call of duty. Warrior, a loyal fighter that's becoming tired. Then there's the Warrior, an infantry fighting vehicle that has served faithfully since 1987, carrying troops to wars in the Gulf, Bosnia, and Afghanistan. With 613 still in service, the Warrior is the backbone of the infantry. However, its unstable 30mm gun is showing its age. Although originally planned to last until 2040, the Warrior is now due to be retired in 2027, replaced by the Boxer. Recently, 359 units received rear-view cameras for security, a sign that the Warrior is still trusted to last for several more years. Many hoped some Warriors would be kept in reserve, ready to emerge in the event of a crisis. Boxer, a versatile rising star. On the horizon, the Boxer, an agile and modular 8-wheeled mechanized infantry vehicle, looms. With 623 units ordered and expected to be operational by 2025, the Boxer represents a new hope. Designed to quickly transport soldiers, the Boxer is equipped with a 360-degree camera and long-range weapons, ready to counter modern threats. It will replace the Warrior and protected mobility vehicles like the Mastiff, Ridgeback, and Wolfhound. However, with a slow production rate of only 60 units per year, there are concerns that this fleet will not be fast enough to fill the gap left by its predecessors. Ajax, a challenging hope. Then there's the Ajax, a family of advanced vehicles promised to be the future of reconnaissance. With 6 variants and a 40mm cannon, the Ajax offers mobility, protection, and cutting-edge reconnaissance technology. Recently, 43 units were delivered with enhanced armor and weaponry, and the household cavalry became the first to use them. However, Ajax's journey has been fraught with challenges. Noise and turret integration issues have hampered it, leaving soldiers waiting longer than promised. Nonetheless, with 152 units built out of a total of 589, Ajax is slowly proving itself as the new backbone. On the other hand, some icons must say goodbye. The Bulldog FV432, upgraded to the Mk3, will be retired in 2030, along with the Jackal II and Viking. The Stormer, which carries Starstreak missiles, will be retired in 2026, followed by the Foxhound in 2030. Even the Mastiff, Ridgeback, and Wolfhound, once lifesavers in Afghanistan, will be abandoned by 2028. Their departure is not without reason. The Army wants a more uniform fleet, focusing on the Boxer, Ajax, and Challenger III. However, Many worry. With only 1,300 new vehicles by the end of the decade, will the UK be ready to deal with threats like those in Ukraine, where cheap drones destroyed tanks in an instant? At the Millbrook Proving Ground, the Ajax, Boxer, and Challenger 3 stand side by side for the first time, symbols of a promising future. A new £71 million contract ensures the maintenance of legacy vehicles like the Land Rover and Pinzgauer until the Boxer is fully operational. But the shadow of politics and tight budgets looms. With the fleet shrinking from 6,200 vehicles during the Cold War to 3,207 by 2023, the British Army must skillfully balance quantity and quality. Amidst the challenges, the spirit of the soldiers remains strong. From the cold plains of Norway to the deserts of Iraq, these combat vehicles are more than just machines. They are extensions of life and courage. This transformation, while dramatic, is a step towards a more agile, intelligent, and lethal fleet. Will the Boxer and Ajax live up to expectations? Will the Challenger 3 become a new legend? Only time and the battlefield will tell. For now, the British Army marches on, looking to the future with determination.